Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another What Do I Think episode. And here I want to talk about having your computer on the current operating system it's running, and then you're wanting to upgrade into a newer operating system. And talk about some of the pros and cons about this. So for example, let's have a Windows 7 PC made by HP or the Acer, Sony, whatever. And these manufacturers, they put their own third-party apps in there. And sometimes you may like it, sometimes you may not like it, but for me, don't even dare or try to uninstall any of the third-party applications, because you might uninstall a certain thing and then the other thing doesn't work functioning, and the main thing you want functioning properly is the recovery manager. For Sony, it's called VioCare in Windows 7, and for HP, I don't know what they call it, it's like the HP Recovery Manager or something. Acer, I believe, was eRecovery, with the lowercase e and then the recovery word after. So you want these recovery managers to be functioning properly, and the best way to do it, don't uninstall any of the third-party apps. Just leave it on there even if you're not going to use it. The only apps that you should be uninstalling is the third-party apps that you downloaded from other websites like Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera browser, or Steam. Whatever the third-party apps may be that you downloaded from a different website, touch those. But don't touch the third-party ones that the manufacturer of your computer put on there, because it's best to have the recovery manager in case your computer gets a virus or something, or something's wrong with your computer. Then you have to do a full recovery of it, which wipes out everything and all your programs and all that, but restore it back to factory settings and restores it back to the first day you bought your computer. Now, let's say if you upgrade your Windows 7 PC to Windows 8. That is possible, and you can do that. If you want to do that, go ahead and enjoy your new operating system. But the problem with that is, let's say you have a specific Windows 7 PC with a recovery manager on there, and you want to upgrade that PC to Windows 8. Chances are that manufacturer never made any recovery disk for that computer on Windows 8, or created a recovery manager for you to download for that computer running Windows 8. And by doing that, you don't have a recovery manager. So how are you gonna restore your computer to factory settings? The best you can do is create a system image when you first upgraded your computer's operating system, and put all the drivers on it. And you have to create the system image on a hard drive. You can't create it on a flash drive, unfortunately. I tried doing that one time, I couldn't do it, and then I found out you can't do it on a flash drive. So I went to Walmart, spent 20 bucks on a 16 gig flash drive, USB 3.0 for nothing. But I'm gonna keep that anyway for other usage, in case I need it. So if you want to upgrade your computer's current operating system that it's currently running, go ahead and do it. But for me, I would rather just keep my computers on the same operating system that is currently running. Now, certain occasions I'll have to upgrade the computer operating system if I feel that the previous one is not working properly. Like Windows Vista. If I have a computer running Windows Vista, I'm definitely upgrading to Windows 7. Because Windows Vista, I'm not going to deal with it. Windows XP, maybe, but since Microsoft is not updating anymore, then might as well just upgrade to Windows 7 if I can get it to Windows 7 instead of Windows Vista. Because Windows Vista, I'm not crazy about it. So really, if you're gonna upgrade your computer's operating system that it's currently running, be aware of these obstacles. And sometimes a system image may not be the best choice, because it basically just takes a picture of what your operating system and your hard drive looks. And then if you're going to upgrade to a different hard drive with more storage on it, and then you restore it back onto this system image, that's not a good idea, because it doesn't make the partition on the whole hard drive. Just the amount of capacity that was from your old hard drive, and then it applies it to the new hard drive, and then you have all that extra space in your new hard drive for nothing. That will be known as unallocated space, then you create a new partition for it, and now, it's reading as two separate hard drives, which for me, that I don't like at all. I wanted to read as one hard drive, and then, there are like a lot of things to be concerned about, and it looks like not too many people look into this, but for me, from what I've done so far with computers, I'd rather just keep my computer on the current operating system that it is when I first bought it. What do you guys think about this? Go ahead and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and think carefully when you're doing this.